Welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at Kevin Shiftright. Basically, he is the Cars 1 variant for the Clutch Aid sponsor. He was in the Dinoco 400, which is the only time you see him in the first Cars movie. Which is kind of sad now that you think about it, because they could have had so much fun with these characters if they would have shown more of these characters in Cars 2, but you know what? That's okay. Probably. But that may not even be his real name. But when you look at the packaging, you see Kevin Shiftright, if that's a real name, and a Blue Desert. Then over on the back, you see leakless, octane gain, sidewall shine, I think that is, and gasket, which I know their names, but at the moment I don't know their names, so that's a shame. But let's get right into the unboxing of this guy. So let's get into the review of this guy. Now, I would love to say, so here is the original variant of it, but I never bought the original variants of him when I was younger because I was younger and I didn't like, for some reason, other cars. But honestly, he's not one of the worst designed ones from Cars 1. There are some that, now that I look at it from more of an actual racing view, where some of, this guy's bumper, I feel like it's perfect for if these cars were bump draft and stuff. But octane gain, yeah, that's too steep of a slope. But as you can see, he's got a nice dark blue, white, and green paint job. 121 Clutch Aid sponsor. He's got a bunch of little other sponsors here, which I'm not going to read off. Clutch Aid on the back, and the bandage logo that's covering a crack, it says on both sides, and the rims are white. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment, because why not? And I will see you guys next time.